How to delete Instagram messages from both the sides. If any day any of you are an Instagram user and you send a wrong Instagram message to anyone and you would like to delete the Instagram message from both the sides but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find the very Instagram application on your mobile device. After you find it, you have to tap on that. After you tap on Instagram application like this, Instagram is launched on your mobile device. After it's launched, now you have to go to the message like icon on the top. After you go to the message like section on the top, now you have to go to the very person to whom you have sent a message to. You can go to the person like this. Now after you go to the person like this, now if any day you send a wrong message like me, for example, you send any of the wrong message like this, going to the option of send and you would like to delete it from both the sides, what you have to do is you have to tap on the message like this and then go to the option of unsend. And then you can go to the option of unsend like this. When you tap on the option of unsend like this, now the message will be deleted from both the sides. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.